You nervous?
Yeah.
Why?
Leave me alone. No, I'm just nervous.
This is the flower rack that Rachel and her cousin and her cousin's husband made. And Alora, we're gonna sew you.
That's easier to carry.
There you go, you could carry it all by yourself. What do you think? Are we gonna sell all of our flowers? That would be really good.
Because I bet a lot of people are going to be here to get flowers for Mother's Day.
Yeah. What do you think? Did Mom do a really good job making all those bouquets?
Yes.
Yeah. Are they beautiful?
Yes.
Would you buy one?
Yes.
Will you buy one?
I didn't bring my wallet, and I only have $2.
So we know we've got a lot to learn and a little bit of confidence to gain, but this is the first go. We hope we're really successful. We really don't know what to expect. We hyped it up on Instagram a little bit. You know, we talked amongst our friends like this is our first time at this location. It's our first time with everything. So praying and hoping for a really good turnout. And hopefully we sell all of our bouquets. I think it'll be great regardless. This is gonna be a really good learning experience. And we're trying to have that positive attitude and hope for the best. Flowers can you hold?
Trying to find it, all that I go through for my peace of mind. Let it all go out the window. No smoke in my
Brunch break. Okay, give us the update.
People are buying flowers. That's exciting. I'm just trying to make things look full.
Do you feel a little bit better?
Yeah.
You as nervous?
No.
So I remembered it's Mother's Day, but totally forgot it's Mother's Day weekend. So when I went to go get these pastries, it was just so slammed.
Smoke in my eyes. I can hear the wind chiming. It's always been you in the back of my mind. When there are others.
Give me a sigh. Is that a sigh of relief or it's over?
It's over.
We're good.
We're good.
We're learning, that's for sure.
We're gonna sit down and talk about it when we get home.
I know, right?
What we did right, what we did wrong.
What we can improve upon.
Yep.
What we did fantastically.
It was a good day though.
It was
Learned a lot.
great. I love it. It was good.
Met lots of good people. People bought flowers. We're gonna make their moms happy. This is all we've got left. Got 9 bouquets. We sold most of them. We did pretty good. We're gonna pack up. When we go home, we'll kind of review the things that we feel like we did well, and talk about the things we didn't do really well. But I think we feel really good. I think we did really good, and it's a different mentality. It's a different feeling working in like corporate, like I get a check and an hourly wage, and then working in a situation where like if you don't sell, you don't make money. If this is gonna be our employment, we've got to make some changes. Okay. So since Laura worked so hard, she picked out a gift. It's in that little bag. We're gonna show you what it is when we get home. Just give you a little hint. She really, really wants to make beignets. So this is what Laura wanted.
I'm gonna make beignets tonight and tomorrow.
What is it?
It's a honey holder that you, wait a second. So you put the honey in here, then you can put like the honey stick in, leave it in here for a little bit, then take it out, drizzle the honey on like beignets or stuff you like to put honey on.
Sounds like it's gonna be delicious.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
Okay, who's ready for pancakes? You guys know what imposter syndrome is. It's that like mental block of like, dude, we're not real flower farmers. Those like, I don't know, negative thoughts. Like,
Yeah. It's
those
just getting over it, right?
This is our first time doing this, so we don't know what to expect. We're gonna do great, but we just haven't experienced it yet, so that's why we're so nervous about this whole thing.